be multiple levels.
Ooh. Here we are, going on the big old ferry.
We're going down.
We get to go downstairs? Wow. Who's texting me?
How you doing?
Whoa! Whoa, jeez. That's steep.
Calm down. Going into the belly of the ferry. Here we go. Yep.
Everybody put your windows up.
Yeah, we're on the ferry, guys.
It's faster.
Yeah.
But
Well,
it's cheaper.
all right. Let's get out and head up deck.
Get.
All right, we're on the ferry.
That's kind of cool.
They're still bringing all kinds of cars on, huh?
Fancy wheels on it.
No, not yet.
See any zombies? Neat. Oh, that, huh? Big nose of the boat. Awesome. Still loading some vehicles on. That's it. Ferry's fully loaded.
I don't know which is which, because they're both the same boat.
Closing and we're moving. A couple people couldn't get on. A few 18-wheelers couldn't get on. Gotta wait for the next one. Oh well. We're off and running. Well, I'm moving. Getting out of here. Heading out. Pretty windy up here. Very windy. Check it out, huh?
I see PPI.
Nice. Very, very, very nice. Look at that. We're about halfway across towards PEI now. It's cool. Right over there.
So what is that red soil caused by again, you said?
What was that?
The red soil you said was caused by what?
Oxidization.
What's that?
Scared the crap out of me. Thank you.
Foggy, what are you doing?
Thank you.
You do that in Nova Scotia.
There's a lighthouse. Lighthouse. We're here in PEI. Woohoo! Cool. Nice picture.
We're here. We're here.
Same idea, bud. Same idea.
Here, we're here.
Huh?
We're here. We're here. We're here.
Sit down to the car. Come on.
Want to head her down now? All right, we're heading in the dock. Down underneath the deck. This is the A deck of the boat here. The cars. It's loaded. All right.
I was watching the guy, guide him up.
And we're heading off the boat now. Here we go up this big old hill. Woo-hoo! That's a climb.
Yeah, you're ready this. All you can see is the guy.
No, what map? What did he say?
I don't know.
Did you leave something on the car, bud? Easton?
He got his headphones on. He can't hear you. Here we are in PEI.
Okay, we're here.
PPI.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, PPI.
Oh.